I'm gonna share with you 9 unique methods YouTubers are using to get subscribers and blow up their channel. Let me know in the comments below, how many subscribers do you currently have right now when you're watching this? Also, between you and I, this isn't even coffee, it's just hot water so I can stay warm. There's a way to share a link to allow people to automatically subscribe to your channel. Paste the URL of your channel in a blank document and add this to the end. Type $sub_confirmation equals 1. That's all you have to do. Now, what you're gonna use this for is to share this link across other social channels. Share this in places like your Instagram story, your Instagram bio, your TikTok bio, on Facebook, Twitter. Now, it makes it automatic for people to subscribe to you. Have you ever noticed the subscribe button glows? A few weeks ago, YouTube made the update for the YouTube subscribe button to glow when you say the word subscribe in your video. Simply stating the word subscribe will illuminate the button. If you are subscribed, you won't see it. If you are not subscribed, you'll see it. This is a ridiculously simple way for people to subscribe because they'll see it illuminate and it'll encourage them to subscribe. I highly recommend you do this in your next video. I want to tell you a quick story how in 2019, doing a collaboration completely changed the trajectory of this channel I used to work for. The person I was working for, we did a collaboration video with Matt Develop. Now, Matt has a large YouTube channel, and this video that we collaborated on was called The Myth of Bad Food. Here's where this gets insane, because before we collaborated with Matt, the channel was sitting around 20 to 15,000 subscribers. Well, after the video was posted, the channel grew about 20 to 30,000 subscribers within 2 days, and it continued to help the channel grow. I then realized that collaborating with people is such a unique method to getting subscribers, because what happens is your audience now gets shown to their audience, and their audience gets shown to your audience. YouTube will now recommend your content to them and their content to you, and it helps both parties and both audiences grow. Finding ways and people to collaborate with is a huge advantage to getting more subscribers. In YouTube Studio, YouTube shows you how many subscribers you get from your community tab. I don't know if you know this, but the community tab is one of 5 places where the subscribe button shows up. Your community tab posts will show up to people who have seen your videos but have not yet subscribed. You can track this data, like I mentioned, in your YouTube Studio, so you can see how many new subscribers are coming to your channel from the community tab alone. If you haven't already, I highly recommend using your community tab to start growing your channel. Promoting your videos across other social media platforms is crucial. Creating clips and trailers is a great way to give people a taste of what you have to offer in the long form content. A great example of this, and someone who does a phenomenal job at creating engaging trailers, is Stephen Bartlett from The Diary of a CEO. They do a great job of creating hype and interest to go watch the full podcast. Let me be clear, if you don't have a professional studio, professional setup, or even a professional team to help you create this, it's okay. Find the clips, find the golden nuggets within your long form videos that you want to be able to share across other social channels to get people interested to go watch the full video. Trendjacking is when creators capitalize on trends by making content related to popular topics. For example, whenever people are searching around insert whatever topic, your video could pop up. Marques Brownlee, for example, made a video about Cybertrucks right after they announced it. The Cybertruck video was different from his other videos. However, he was able to use trendjacking to become a part of the conversation for when they were released. Finding ways to ride trends will help your channel get discovered by new viewers who usually don't consume your content. Well, now they found you. You know what's better than getting a viewer to subscribe to your channel? Getting them to watch more of your content. One way you can do this is by teasing your next video in the final few seconds. Tyler Oliveira, for example, is a master at creating what's called cliffhangers at the end of his videos. He leaves it a mystery for what's to come next, but it gets you interested and curious.
We escaped with all the footage untouched! I breathe air! You suck!
But as we zoomed back and made our way to the airport, I saw this. I think we're being followed by a Fed right now.
Beta Squad is another example of giving the audience a taste of what's to come. They even have a signature saying of play the trailer at the end of their videos, so you can get a preview of what it looks like. Finding ways for you to give the audience a taste of what's to come in the next video will not only keep them for one video, but now they're gonna wanna watch the other videos that you have. And now they're more likely to subscribe because they've spent more time with you. You can add Endscreens to the final 5 to 20 seconds of your videos to encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. Todd at YouTube said this best: It's better to ask people to watch another video of yours versus asking them to subscribe, because this increases their viewing session with you and allows them to spend more time to get to know you and trust you more. You only really have two options. One, you ask them to subscribe at the end of your video. Number two, you compel them to subscribe. You do this by increasing their time they spend with you, and they now get more videos in their watch history. Therefore, they will see more of your future videos and they'll come to the conclusion themselves to subscribe. Your channel page is the secret sauce to getting subscribers. When we check analytics, 60% of our subscribers come from the channel page alone. You will get a ton of subscribers this way because people will check out your homepage and they'll come to the conclusion themselves whether they want to subscribe or not. You will get a ton of subscribers this way because people will come to your channel page and they'll see, is this something for me or is it not? There's two ways you can approach your channel page. Number one, think of it as a storefront. That way people understand what the channel's about and you can encourage them to subscribe in your channel banner. Or number two, gamify the channel a bit and a progress towards a goal you have. For example, Nick DiGiovanni does a great job at this. He's trying to chase Gordon Ramsay and surpass him in subscribers, so you want to support him along the way. Or this other channel that uses Gandhi within his channel banner as a fun way. Hope these methods helped, and if they did, you'll enjoy this video where I share with you some unique strategies large YouTubers are using that you can copy on their thumbnails to help you get more views. I'll see you there.